Our team's dedication and expertise have transformed this property into a highly sought-after gem.
Welcome back to Treetop Story. In this third and final video of our series, Sid, the founder of Treetop Group, will take us on an exclusive walkthrough of this remarkable home. We'll uncover its standout features and gain insights into their innovative approach to marketing it as a truly unique property. Let's step inside this masterpiece.
Welcome to our transformed masterpiece. As you can see, we created an impressive entrance that exudes elegance and charm. The open concept layout on the first floor allows you for seamless flow, easy access to living room spaces. Take a look at the high ceilings, custom millwork, adding a touch of sophistication. The attention to details in crown molding and wainscoting showcase the craftsmanship that defines this home. Our focus was on modern living, so we designed this gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances and a spacious island, perfect for entertaining guests or family gatherings. Upstairs, you will find private serenity, spacious bedroom with ample natural light and elegant finishes. These rooms offer comfort and tranquility for the whole family. The master suite is a true retreat, featuring an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. This space offers relaxation and comfort after a long day. We are presenting this property as a rare find because of the significant upgrades we have done while still respecting its original structure. By doing this, we have captured the attention of buyers looking for an exceptional move-in ready home. Our innovative approach highlights the standout features that set this property apart from the rest. And with that, our journey at this property comes to an end. Thank you for joining us on this incredible ride. If you are interested in learning more or exploring our future project, be sure to subscribe and stay connected with us.